What sets the World Equestrian Center Ocala apart from any other equestrian facility in the world is our size and stature and just how many rings we can run at once. We have over 40 miles of fiber, over 200 switches, and we have hundreds of speakers on campus.
It was just a massive scope project. There was a lot of different solutions that we needed to accomplish here with Atlas speakers. Some of them might be the arena to an outdoor space like near Sergeant Reckless outside. We needed even coverage out there as well. In the flex arenas here, there was an acoustic challenge. They have cement floors. Sometimes they have like a thin rug on there. So we did need to do acoustics in that building, but really the speaker coverage was really important for that building because we didn't want it too loud. Again, the more speakers we have, the more even coverage, the less volume you need. So those were some of the challenges.
AtlasIED's inside design team helped us come up with excellent designs for the challenging areas and situations that we have at the World Equestrian Center.
A lot of the times we're looking at the ceiling heights and the coverage. So working with Atlas to discover those technical calculations has been great. The use of Atlas speakers here is just massive.
The World Equestrian Center and All Pro Sound utilized the FAP Strategy 3 series in multiple indoor locations. We've utilized the FS series stadium horns. We also use the AP and APX series horns.
Atlas really helped us design systems that can move people from place to place, have really nice music, paging, the ability to page in office spaces. The facility is huge, and Atlas hit the mark helping us design this system.